Two-part wood filler from Bondo is a fast-curing, durable solution for repairing damaged, rotted, or missing wood. It's paintable and stainable, allowing you to complete repairs and finish them the same day. So this is what I like about this product. It's strong and permanent repairs. It's a two-part formula chemically bonds to wood, creating a non-shrinking permanent repair for holes, cracks, and gaps in wood surfaces. It works for trim, decks, furniture, sills, and more. It's fast curing and sandable. Once mixed with the included hardener, it cures quickly. Hard enough to sand in about 15 minutes and ready for paint or stain in roughly 25 minutes. This means you can finish a project in hours, not days. It's paintable and stainable. The medium brown filler blends nicely with wood surfaces and takes both paint and stain, giving you flexibility to match finishes. It's versatile to use, useful for both interior and exterior wood repairs, from window trim and siding to furniture restoration. Here are some things to know about this Bondo product. It has fast work time. With only about 3 to 4 minutes of workable time after mixing, you need to work quickly and plan what you're filling before you mix. It has an odor. When prepping, like many two-part fillers, it can have a strong odor. It is best applied in a ventilated area and requires surface prep, cleaning and sanding for best results. Some users note that stains can look a bit different on the filler compared to natural wood grain, so testing first is a good idea if exact match is critical. If you are looking a robust, quick curing wood filler that sands easily and lets you finish, paint or stain your repair quickly, Bondo wood filler is a solid pick. It's especially good for substantial repair jobs where strength and speed matter. Just be ready to mix and apply quickly, and test stain on a scrap to check for color, match,